So yan po, mga hakot siguro ng St. Gerard dito. Kita niyo po yung mga dirty tactics. Nagbabayad ng troll farm sa Facebook, nagbabayad para mag-attend ng rally. Masama po yan. Diba? Hindi po maganda yan. Tanong, ba't kagagastos ng ganun kalaki para sa ganun? So,
your reaction with regard to Mayor Vico Sotto tagging na baka, in his own words, or siguro St. Gerard yung entity behind the rally earlier that involved residents from Quezon City?
We're here in Shangri-La Hotel for our team building. I'm here as a resource person sa team building ng SGC charity. No? Nagulat lang kami na nabanggit nga ni Mayor yung St. Gerard. Ang pagkakaalam po namin, ang intindi namin, mayroong transport rally. So, hindi po namin alam bakit napunta sa Pasig and then ang nabanggit niya po ay St. Gerard. But malamang because of the open letter na file yata the other time by one of the directors, board of directors ng St. Gerard.
Sir, what was the initial reaction of St. Gerard's owners and its board with regard to the mayor's statements?
Siyempre, nagulat sila and medyo worried sila na dinala yung pangalan ng company. So, of course, they're also looking at how to protect the interests of the corporation.
When you say they are looking at how to protect, do you mean filing legal cases against the mayor?
Well, it's not definite now. No, they're just looking at options that could possibly include legal action.
Can we get a categorical answer whether or not St. Gerard was involved doon sa rally po kanina?
No, not involved po. Nandito po kami lahat na nag-ano kami, nagti-team building. Medyo nagulat lang kami. I'm not even engaged for this particular press con earlier. So ngayon lang dahil wala namang ibang legal counsel ngayon dito. So I was asked to represent.
Sir, last from my end, what do you think were the key points in that open letter that prompted the mayor to think that St. Gerard was involved in the rally?
Di ko alam kung ano yung key points, but I remember that St. Gerard offered their services para mabawasan yung 9 billion na cost, no, or whatever cost na, kasi 9 billion nata is the bid amount, no, total project bid. But yung offer ng St. Gerard was, I think, to be able to lessen the cost around 800 million, parang ganun. Baka yun. So, hindi ko rin alam. Kasi shouldn't be a problem, di ba? Dapat nga pag-usapan. Tsaka malabong St. Gerard kasi we have 99% of St. Gerard employees are from Pasig. So they have no reason to hide, no reason to send people from other cities. St. Gerard hindi po nag-employ masyado ng taga-labas ng Pasig.
Meaning, sir, if St. Gerard wanted to mount a rally against the administration, it would be easy for them to tap Pasig residents?
Wala namang rason na magtago siguro if talagang gusto nila mag-rally.
Sir, na-identify na po itong mga nag-rally kung sino?
Hindi po namin alam kung sino. Ang alam namin, may transport strike kanina. Tapos biglang naging rally daw o hakot daw. Ganon, ang St. Gerard.
Sinasabi sir na mula sa Quezon City, karamihan ang nag-rally. Tama po ba?
I wouldn't know. Yun ang narinig din po namin. Kasi sa social media, nakita din namin.
Attorney, what's your stand naman or the stand of the Discayas regarding the troll accounts and yung mga naglalabasan daw ng mga FB pages against Mayor Vico? Ang nasa likod din daw nito ay ang SGC because they have interest sa politics?
Well, maraming may interest sa politics. So, I think it's unfair na si SGC kaagad ang pagbabalingan.
Sir, ano yung repercussions ng ganitong klaseng allegation coming from the mayor to a company such as SGC?
Well, of course, it could tarnish their reputation, di ba? So, depende po sa appreciation ng legal team ng SGC. So, I'm not part of that team right now. Magkataon lang na nandito ako. So, kaya ako pong humarap sa inyo.
Sir, how soon can we see the legal action or at least a concrete reaction, a concrete step coming from St. Gerard? Can we see it as early as next week or maybe a month from now? Just give us a brief timetable, a timeline, sir.
As of this afternoon, pinag-aaralan na po. So I think it won't be too long kung meron man action na gagawin.
Would you have any statement kung bakit, it seems like, no, base din po sa ating mga nakakuha sa social media, way back pa, meron na talagang clash between SGC and Mayor Vico. Meron po ba tayong backgrounder or idea kung bakit gano'n?
Ako po, wala po.
Sir, hindi po kaya kaduda-duda na bakit alam nila kagad na taga KUCN Caloocan yung mga nag-rally, and then nung tinanong sila, sagot sila kagad.
Gumaganon pa, no?
Hindi kayo parang, ayun ko sir
Actually, good point po yun. Good point. Sa amin, nakakaduda. Bakit nga? Medyo weird, di ba? Kung may ginagawa kang hindi tama, so bakit ganon? Umamin ka agad and then, di ba? Medyo weird nga. Kaduda-duda.
Sorry, how long have you been the resource person of the team building?
Just today po. Just for today, opo.
So this is your first time to speak for and behalf of the SC?
Yes po, yes. Correct.
Sir, may mensahe kayo? Anything? For this issue, for this concern?
Well, sana ingatan din ni Mayor yung pinpoint niya kay SGC. Sana may facts po. At kung meron man silang alitan, sana mapag-usapan nila. I think pare-pareho naman taga-Pasig. So, 'di ba? Maganda sana 'yun kung maging open discussion.
Attorney, how long you've been in the practice of law? How long?
Over 16 years.
For the record, sir, pangalan niyo na po.
Attorney Raymond Mendoza.
Sir, dahil St. Gerard nang binanggit, may plano ba ang company na mag-file?
Pinag-aaralan po yung legal remedies to protect their interest.
Anong posibleng ikakaso niyo?
Wala pa po, hindi pa po namin masabi. Siguro
Pero bilang abogado,
soon malalaman din.
pero bilang abogado, sir, based on
Hindi po kasi ako ang ano doon, kuya, sa legal team nila. Opo. Ayoko i-second guess lang.
Attorney, ulitin ko lang, as soon as the Vizcayas, the SGC found out about this, what was the reaction to that?
Medyo natigil nga kami dito. Nagkagulo. So, siyempre, medyo ano din sila, uneasy. Hindi naman madali na madrag sa story na gano'n. And then, of course, they have their reputation to protect.
But do you have any message for Mayor Vico?
Yun na po yun, kanina. Medyo ingatan lang sana para...
Coming from them po, sorry.
Opo, di ba? Coming from them, wala po. Yun lang sa akin, sa my personal opinion.
Sir, it's no secret that Pasigueños are asking or are wondering or even considering that the Vizcayas may be running for politics because the charity arm has been quite active. Do you think that the mayor's sentiments against the company is linked to the 2025 midterm elections?
I don't think so right now. But any conflict like that with politics can always spark something, di ba?
Sir, tama po ba, just on record, you're not yet authorized to answer questions with regard to the filing of candidates?
Yes, hindi po ako yung lawyer for that, and maybe in due time, masasagot din yun siguro, di ba? Kung talagang may issue dyan.
Sorry, if you don't mind, what is your field of expertise in the law practice?
I don't claim po any field of expertise. We have a full-service firm, and marami naman, iba't ibang kaso naman po hinahandle namin.
About the letter from Sir Kirby na binigay po kay Mayor Vico, has he gotten any reply from the City Hall, from LGU about it?
None that I know of officially. Yeah.
Sir, may sagot na ba si Mayor Vico doon sa letter ni Mr. Vizcaya?
Same question po. None that I know of officially. Parang wala pa po.
Kasi huling interview ng aming mahusay na reporter, doon, eh, hindi pa daw niya natatanggap. Naniniwala ba kayo dito?
Hindi ko po masasagot yan. Siya po nagsabi nun. So, thank you. Thank you so much. Salamat sa pasensya niyo.